Now Becca's on her way home from work. She texted me and asked me if I could pick her up at McDonald's because she didn't fancy cooking tonight. Fair enough, so I've done that. But I'm gonna booby trap her drink. This is gonna be funny. First of all, we need bicarbonate of soda, and then we're gonna put some of this vinegar in. And this is how we're gonna do it. Empty cup. Just gonna get some cling film. Put that over the top, and I'm gonna push that down. And that creates like a little pocket. I wanna trim the excess. Let's take the vinegar. And obviously any excess. There we go. From the top you wouldn't notice anything. Just looks like a regular old Coke. She's just come back. Who is it?
Huh? Oh, you went to McDonald's?
Yeah, you wanted a McDonald's, didn't you?
Did you get yourself anything?
Yeah, I had mine. I had a McFlurry.
Oh. Thanks, Paul.
That's alright. Have a good day at work.
Alright. How
Yeah.
was your day?
Yeah, alright.
Huh?
Alright, yeah.
Is that right? Oh my god! Oh my god! The fuck is up with that?
It's not fizzy.
That, what is that? Oh mate, that stinks. Babe, it's all over me. What the fuck is that? You just ruined my McDonald's now. What is that? Look at that.
Do you remember what we made too?
Babe, it's all over me. What the fuck is that? You're an actual fucking dick. Where's my drink? I hope you've got me an actual McDonald's and you ain't drunk my McDonald's.
That is your drink.
Where's the drink that was in it then? You drank it and then made that?
Yeah.
That fucking stinks. What is that?
Vinegar and bicarbonate soda. The same thing we made the ketchup one with.
You're an absolute wanker. No! I'm covered in it.
You smell like shit.
You are a wanker. Where's the camera? Oh, there it is. Hi. He's a prick. Does that taste nice?
Oh,
Yeah, it fucking
it's
stinks.
fucking horrible.
Last thing I wanted to do right now was have a shower. I've got shit to do. What the fuck?
Hi, babe.
Oh, haha. I pissed
like
myself again.
It looks like you pissed yourself again.
I didn't know you was going to say that.
Hey, pissy pants.
You're a dick.